friends, welcome to my 8th standard mastermind YouTube channel. Today we are going to study oral sources, okay, of 8th standard. First chapter, sources of history. The following sources are oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral sources of history of modern Indian history. Now what all are included in oral sources are given in the pink box. So let us study them. Okay, let's see. Oral sources include folk songs, povada, folk tales, narrations, interviews, jalsa, fair, art groups, rhythmic prose, OV, inspirational songs. So this all things are included in the oral sources. Now we are going to study about the inspirational songs. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in written form, but there are many other unpublished inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters. Through these inspirational songs, we can get information about the conditions during pre-independence period, and also the spirit behind the freedom struggle could be understood. Now, during the freedom struggle, there were some songs which were written by the freedom fighters. Okay, so that songs are still available. While there were songs which were unpublished but very inspirational. This was memorized by the freedom fighters. They are available now also. Okay, through these songs we can understand what all spirit was there behind the freedom struggle. Next we are going to study, that is povada. Povada is a source of getting information about a historical event or the work of a person. There are various povadas composed on freedom struggle of 1857, valor of revolutionaries during British rule, etc. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Apart from freedom movement, the povadas were composed based on the work of Satya Shodhak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes, the Samyukta Maharashtra movement, and such other events. Understood povada? Okay. Next we are going to study, that is video, audio. Next we are going to study video, audio and audiovisual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, films, etc. Obviously, these photographs, records of films can be used as a source of history. This is correct. Okay. So always remember this point, because as you are doing your entertainment, you always watch televisions and computers, laptops and all this. So you should know this. Okay. This para was very easy and was very easy to understand. So I am not explaining this, but I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, then comment below. I will be always there to help you out. Next we are going to study, that is photographs. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography, photograph of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Now, with the invention of the photographs, we could click photo of various objects, structure, places, isn't it? Next, it is written, through these photographs we get information about a person or an event in a visual format. So remember this point. Next, it is given, in case of medieval period, there are paintings available that depict the physical features of a person, but the authenticity of these paintings are doubtful. Means photographs we can decide whether we can understand whether it is true or false, but the paintings we have to think about it, because they may be false also. Therefore, instead of paintings, photographs are considered to be more reliable. The photograph of a person gives information about the physical features, dressing styles, etc. Photograph of an event give a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure helps in understanding its nature. Next is recordings. Let us see these quickly so that we can finish this chapter today. Recordings. The discovery of technique of recording was also an important as photography. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During modern period, their speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recordings. Now see guys, as photographs are important, recordings were also important. Okay, we can use them as a source of history. We can use them as audio visual or even audio. Let us see what is given next. They can be used as a source of history. For example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana sung by Rabindranath Tagore himself, or the speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose can be used as an audio source for the study of history. Now you got an example of what is audio source of history. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Next it is written films. Films, you must know the full thing because I don't think I'll need to explain. But still we will take a look over what is given. Films are considered to be a unique discovery of modern technology. In the 20th century, there was a great development in the technique of the filmmaking. Dada Saheb Phalke in the year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. So now who invented Indian film industry? Who founded Indian film industry? The answer is Dada Saheb Phalke. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the events could be seen in reality. Isn't it true? We can see the events in reality through the films. Next is given, compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of study of modern Indian history are found in abundance and variety. The archaeological sources of this period are to be great extent found in a better state. There are many written sources preserved in the archives, but while referring the written sources, the ideology and options of the author regarding the particular event needs to be examined. There is a great need of preserving these historical sources through which the rich tradition of history can be handed towards the next generation. So understood how important is history? Next there is exercise which I'm going to give you in the next part. Okay, if you really need it, just comment. I will be always there to help you all, and take care. Bye bye, stay safe, meet you in my next video. Bye.